Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create your own green screen video on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want this video to be green screen like the background. It is pretty easy because her background is like plain, but you can use this on any video that you might have. I'll just use this one though. I'm just going to select cutout. Also, this only works with people. Select auto cutout and wait for it to process. Add it on top, and then you're just going to go to library and you're going to add this green screen, and I'm just going to kind of scale it up so the rest gets deleted, and that's it. You can now export it as a green screen and you can upload it and people can use this video as a green screen video. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!